Welcome back to Gruber Motor Company. Once in a while we have customers that send us a Roadster for repair, and they're interested in selling it after it's repaired, and we have one of those cars today. It's one of these orange ones, the one in the center. Now what I want to show you first is not all Roadsters have a lot of carbon fiber. The normal carbon fiber that's on every Roadster is this portion right here above the roll bar. The rest of it sometimes is in the door sills, and if the car really costs a lot of money, then you'll have carbon fiber on these sections inside the dash. Sometimes they even have carbon fiber in these little scoops and in the hood vanes here. And as you can see, this one is painted. It does not have carbon fiber. This is the car that's for sale. You can see that it's got the carbon fiber front nose clip. It has all three hood vanes in carbon fiber. It does not, however, have the interior carbon fiber. The roll bar, of course, which is standard. And if you take a look at the seat here, you can see that little red S indicates that this is a Tesla Roadster Sport version, which is a little bit faster than the standard Tesla Roadster. You can tell that it also has the scoops, which are highly sought after, and the carbon fiber spoiler in the back. When they get really fancy with Roadsters, it may even have a carbon fiber section back here. You can tell it's a sport version. It has a little emblem or decal. This is a California car, so they tend to be high mileage when they come from California. And this car has 63,000 miles on the ticker. We're going to be doing some work on the battery, and within a couple of weeks this car will be complete and ready to sell. Some of the other things that sometimes happen, these headlights flake and peel, and you can tell this has a pretty bad case of sunburn basically. We're going to reconstruct those and resurface those. A good clean headlight looks something like this. This Roadster, by the way, is not for sale, and this customer actually spent money to have these parts replaced with carbon fiber, and we'll be installing those shortly. So we don't sell the cars, we generally just unite the seller with the buyer. And in this case, this car will be available in a couple of weeks if anybody is looking for a 2010 very orange, well-maintained, clean Roadster. This is a fine example of that, and it should be available here shortly. We were talking about carbon fiber pieces for that very orange Roadster that's for sale, and here's an example of what is going to be put on that other orange Roadster that we showed you. These are the hood vanes. Then we have the part here that goes in the back, all carbon fiber. This is the larger part of the hood vane. And then here we have the rest of the front hood. And back there you can see the carbon fiber spoiler. And as always, we want to thank you for watching our videos. If you like things Tesla and you like Roadsters, this is the place to be. Make sure to subscribe. And thank you again.